Yo, 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 what's poppin'? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert, aka Rob, aka Pretty Boy Rob, and y'all are stuck with me for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For this video, we are gonna be cleaning up one of the most popular sneaker brands of 2023. As you can see right in front of me, we got these New Balances that are looking pretty dusty. These are the 9060 model, to be exact, in the white and gray colorway. I think they're called the Sea Salts. Due to the color, texture, and material, we are gonna be showcasing our signature shoe cleaning kit to get the best possible results. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. We do got new videos coming at y'all 2 times a week. Every Monday, customs and restorations with our dude Vic Almighty, and every Thursday, Shoe Care Academy episodes like today's video, where we showcase our products and educate you on how to get the best possible results. If there's a shoe you haven't seen and you would like to see it on the channel, all you gotta do is comment down below and let us know. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. Huge shout out to eBay. That's where we got these dusty old shoes. So if you're selling some used shoes on eBay, you never know, they might get showcased on this channel because we stay buying from them. But now that we got that shoe set aside, we're gonna go ahead and just set up our cleaning station. But first things first, I gotta get fitted. Woo, here we go. Now that I'm dressed and our cleaning station is all prepped. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and insert our adjustable shoe tree and remove these shoelaces. Let me just check. These are a size 11. So I'm gonna guess maybe about the 3rd hole back. And bang, we got that nice tight fit. Our toe box did pop up. So now during the cleaning process, we can apply as much pressure as we need to throughout the cleaning, as well as it's just gonna overall hold the form and integrity once it's in the washer. But let me go ahead and get these laces out of here. Set those out of there, and we'll go ahead and take care of those later on in the video. But right now we can go ahead and get started with this pre-cleaning. First things first, we always recommend using our soft bristle brush. Before I start dipping this in the water with the soap, we're really just gonna dry brush. That way we're not making a muddy swamp all on this shoe. I mean, the thought here is dry brushing, getting all that loose dirt off, it's just gonna allow us to clean better, and it's not pushing it deeper into the suede and mesh. So I'm gonna start on that right now. All right, we are all done using our soft bristle brush to dry the shoe. We were able to get most of that dirt and grime off. And as you can see, it actually ended up on my fingers. But right now we can go ahead and start this cleaning process. But first things first, we gotta grab some solution and squirt some squirts. Perfect. Before I dunk this brush and start banging away on this shoe, it does have a lot of excess dirt. So let me go ahead and just brush some of that off. Now we straight. All right, I'm all done pat drying the shoe. I still see some deeper stains in this mesh and on the suede panel. I'm not too worried about it because I am gonna jump on our medium bristle brush and tackle those stains, as well as take care of this dirty sock liner. Worst case scenario, if it doesn't fully lift those stains, we are gonna put this sneaker in the sneaker laundry system and wash in the washer to flush out all those trapped in stains. One good thing about this sneaker right here, it does have some premium and light color suedes, so I'm not experienced, and you shouldn't experience any color bleeding or color transfer. However, if you're cleaning a New Balance that does have darker color suede or different color suede panels, you do want to be careful. Make sure you clean, a small spot in the back just to check to see if you're seeing any color bleeding or color transfer. If you do experience that, make sure you guys send us a DM on Instagram at @RashoeMarried, and we can walk you through those proper steps. But right now, let's go ahead and get straight into this medium bristle brush. All right, guys, I'm all done using our medium bristle brush on our insole, sock liner, some of those deeper stains on the uppers, as well as our midsole. The last step for this pre-cleaning, we just gotta go ahead and use our stiff bristle brush. Before we hop into our stiff bristle brush, I just wanna talk a little bit about the New Balance wave. If you're new to the sneaker community, you guys obviously seen the rise in the last couple years. However, if you're an OG, you know New Balances have been a thing, especially if you're from DMV, Baltimore, Maryland, DC, Virginia. All of y'all have been on the new waves for 15 plus years. Growing up in high school, I actually had friends that grew up in DC, and they told me how big New Balances were out there. I honestly didn't believe them. I used to roast them, but they're probably roasting me now. But with that said, let's go ahead and just jump into this stiff bristle brush. My alarm's going off. Time for me to take my meds. Had to take my meds because I'm sick of you guys sleeping on some dope sneakers like those Cherry 12s, Reimagined Royal ones. I mean, there's a lot of shoes that dropped this year that you guys are sleeping on because it's not hype or the resale value ain't high. Rock what you like and not what's hype. But let's get back to this cleaning. All right, guys. We're gonna let this shoe dry for a little bit. While we do that, we're just gonna grab these laces and take care of them. To do that, super simple process. We're just putting it in our bowl of water. We're gonna swoosh them around like so. Move them a little bit with the fingers. Grab them and just scrub it dub. Since these are white laces, there's probably gonna be some deeper trapped in stains. So after I scrub off as much stains as possible, I'm gonna grab our soft bristle brush and work on that. The soft bristle brush is perfect for these laces. Super delicate bristles, and it's not gonna fray or snag the material by any means. All right, our laces are finished. Grab this shoe. Last thing we need to do is grab our sneaker laundry bag and our sneaker laundry detergent, and we are gonna put it in the bag. Wash these things with cold water to really see these results. All right, we got our sneakers safely secured inside our laundry bag. We got our sneaker laundry detergent. Now follow me to the laundry room. All right, guys, we are in the washer. We're gonna grab our sneaker, drop that in the laundry like so, pop in the laundry detergent. As always, we recommend washing with cold water on a normal cycle. All washing machines are different, but typically about 45 minutes to an hour is gonna be perfect. All right, guys, we are back. We did go and let this shoe 100% dry, and I'm really happy with these results. I mean, look at that mesh. It fully flushed out all those trapped in stains, as well as the suede is looking decent. However, I do see some trapped in stains, which is why I went ahead and off camera grabbed our dry suede kit. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle some of those stains. Then I got this insole. It got all these little dust balls, lint, dingy badoogers. And we're gonna go ahead and use the lint shaver and shave all that junk off. With that said, we can go ahead and jump straight into this dry suede kit. So let's get it, let's go. Now we can work on this insole using the handy dandy lint shaver. Let's get into it. All right, that is gonna wrap it up for our lint shaver that I grabbed from our drop-off cleaning service next door. Again, this isn't a Rejuvenator branded product. However, it's a service that we offer when you send your shoes in online. I recommend the white glove service. It's just gonna be the best possible clean insides and out, and definitely gonna get all those lint balls out of your shoes. The last thing I gotta do is go ahead and get these shoes laced up. But before I do that, let's go ahead and tap in with the comments. At Junior ABC asked, can y'all clean anything else other than Nike/Jordans? Tired of seeing the shoes over and over.
Wait a minute.
I mean, we got you, bro. We got the New Balance 960s right here. You can search the channel. We got a whole bunch of other models. Matter of fact, next week, we got Jordan cleaning these dusty old Uggs. So make sure you guys tapped in. I'm pretty sure these are gonna bleed. So it's gonna be a challenging clean. So make sure you guys hit that noti bell so you're notified when that video drops. Oh, this is a good one. Doing all this without pulling up your sleeves is criminal. Well, at Eric is 2X, my sleeves are pulled up. I'm pretty sure you're talking about my last video where my sleeves were down. I got you for this one. But with that said, let's go ahead and get these laced up. There it is. That's going to do it. That's going to wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these New Balance 9060s. We achieved these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit that comes with all three of our signature brushes, your soft, medium, and stiff, solution, towel, shoe trees, and laundry bag. We also paired this with our good old sneaker laundry detergent just to get that extra deep clean. Of course, we had our cleaning mat. Of course, we had our cleaning mat, dry suede kit, plus our dry rack bowl combo. All these tools are available at rejuvenator.com, as well as all your other shoe care needs. You guys can hit the link in the bio to save you guys some dollar bills using my exclusive promo code. While you're on the website, don't forget to sign up for our newsletters. We got a bunch of giveaways we're doing. I mean, just this year we gave away Off-White 1s, Off-White 5s, Travis Scott fragments, SB4s, plus we had a huge sweepstake where the winner got his own custom from Vic Almighty and a whole bunch of other goodies. Again, while you're on the website, sign up for those newsletters. Also, drop a comment down below and let us know what shoes you guys want to see next, how I did on these, or just put me on game. What is your favorite New Balance of all time? You never know, we might pick one of those people to get some Rejuvenator products. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll see y'all in another one. Peace.